So, hi everyone! For today's video ay flex ko lang ang aking very beautiful na Mickey Freckles. And isa siyang Phalaenopsis. And as you can see, may mga freckles siya. Kaya tinawag siyang Mickey Freckles. So, this one, napakasipag niyang mamulaklak. So, as you can see yan. And may spike pa dito. Never mind that. Wires. Ayan. So, may spike siya on both sides. So, ito napaka-sipag mamulaklak. As always. So, last year napabloom ko siya. And this year again. Blooming siya ulit. Ayan. Napakaganda. And napaka-healthy ng dahon. So, ayan ang aking very beautiful na Mickey Freckles. One of my most precious Phalaenopsis collection. So, nakalagay lang siya sa ganito. Ayan. Nakuha ko siya, medyo maliit pa siya, but ngayon lumaki na ng bongga. So, ayan ang ating napakagandang collection. Mickey Freckles. Saka matagal siyang, yung flowers niya matagal na mag-last. So, worth it. Napakaganda. Ayan, thank you for watching again. Watch out for our next flex. Next flex ng ating beautiful orchid collection. Mickey Freckles.